Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are going to make Thai style seafood stir fry. Here are all the ingredients we need. You can choose any seafood you like and 1 carrot, half cucumber, 2 shallots, cilantro, lime, ginger, scallion, Thai basil, 1 egg. And here are all the sauce we need. This is Mandarin cooking sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, sweet and chili sauce, black pepper, brown sugar, spicy chili sauce. For the ginger, we need to slice into pieces. We need 3 pieces. And for the shallots, we need to take away the skin and the slices. And for the carrots, we need to peel the skin like this and cut it into pieces. For the cucumber, because we only need half, so we cut it in half and take away the head and slice the cucumber. For lime, we just cut it in half because we just need the juice. This is Thai basil. We only need the leaf, so just take away on the stem. When the pot is hot already, and we pour some oil inside, and then put the ginger slice and the shallots. Stir. So now the shallot is turning brown. You can add carrot slice inside. Cook about 2 minutes. And set the veggie aside. And now we can add our seafood. Some oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon, sweet and savory sauce, also 1 tablespoon, sweet chili sauce, also 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. And then sprinkle some black pepper. And 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. And add the cucumber slice, stir, and rest of the scallion and the cilantro. also the Thai basil leaf. And our final step is with some lime juice. Alright, it's finished. We are going to make sunny side up egg. Alright, so this is our Thai style seafood stir fry. It smells so good. You will need lots of rice to pair with this dish. Trust me. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.